Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and you are watching on the Web Guy YouTube channel, and today we'll see how we can create this text to smoke effect. It is again a very easy effect which I will be going to show you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We'll start with making a class where we'll place our text. Now in the CSS, let's give the body a nice background color and set the margin and padding to 0. Now let's give some styling to the text. I want to place it in the center of the screen and I'll be doing it with the help of absolute positioning. Let's increase its font size and also set the white space property to no wrap so that our text is in one line. We'll be creating the smoky effect by playing with the text shadow property. So let's give our text a little shadow. We want the smoke effect to trigger when we hover over the text. Now in the hover state, let's set the text color to transparent. In the shadow property, we'll increase the vertical offset and the blur radius and set the color to transparent. Since we are changing between the two states, we'll use the transition property to give life to our effect. We also want a little bit of scaling and movement on the y-axis. Now we want the text to disappear immediately, so we'll set different transition timing for each of the property. We can see our effect is coming up. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please hit the like button and tell us in the comment section. In case you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon. You will keep getting new and interesting videos every week. Thank you.